Alright, we made it to Kyoto.
Yes.
Yay.
Alright, now we're gonna try to take a bus to our hotel and explore around what the station got to offer.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Alright, we made it to our hotel room. Yay. And this place is really nice.
Super spacious.
Yeah, so what I love about this place is they have a washing machine. Yeah. Okay, there's a microwave there, the mirror here, a mini fridge over here, a sink. Let's check out the bathroom real quick. Ooh, very nice and clean, modern looking bathroom. With a bed, really big bed compared to the regular size like that we've been to over here. There's a seating area. Here's the view. Oh my god. But yeah, super nice. Oh my god, this is so spacious for a Japanese hotel. Oh my goodness. I know I should be out and exploring or maybe relaxing, but does anybody just love watching like the washing machine just do a job? Yeah, it's so relaxing.
You know, we passed the spot a long time ago.
The rabbit's making mochi or something.
Oh yeah, you're the rabbit. Oh yeah, making mochi.
Look, it's yo. About a couple years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, whenever that is, we tried to go to Kichi Kichi and he was out of town. So we checked the calendar this time and I guess this is the last day before he goes on holiday.
Extended holiday.
Yeah, so we'll see if we can go there without a reservation.
Yeah, they said otherwise you can check every single hour, 5 to 10 minutes before to see if you could get seated.
Yeah.
So that's gonna mean like 5, 6, 7, 8, and then that's it.
Yeah. So we're trying to get there before it opens. Wish us luck! It's a nice waterway to walk down. See? Yeah. It's not like LA River.
It's actually a constant flow.
Oh wow. It's a line already.
No reservation.
No reservation. Okay.
Okay, so right now the 5 o'clock seating is full, but if we wait for the 6 o'clock, then non-reservation should be able to get seated. So,
Maybe. They wish us luck.
Let's take a look. We are we're very drawn by. Oh, look, there's little tori on the ground, little birds.
Oh yeah, so you want to update us about the reservation?
Oh yeah. So we were able to just, put 1,000 yen, get a reservation at 7. So we're just going to share a table with people, but it should be good.
Yeah.
That means we're set.
Yes.
Guaranteed a spot. Nice. Oh, there's more omurice right here. Oh, okay, so this area caught my eye. I'm going to test out the night photography on the camera.
The smell of this place is amazing.
We're doing a pit stop. Cat's ordering food. Oh. Nice.
So one each?
Yeah. Okay. Oh yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay, here. Can I eat over here? Or should we bite at the same time?
Oh yeah.
Trying the, what do they call this again?
Taiyaki.
Taiyaki? Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, let me do the kiss.
Oh, yeah.
Have a kiss.
The kishi.
Okay.
Alright.
Ah.
Ooh, it's hot.
Oh.
Oh, I got the custard. I thought you want to switch?
This is so good. It's really good. It's not too sweet. It's warm.
That custard is sweet, but like it's a good sweet.
Oh, super hot.
Oh, man, the red bean is so like satisfying. It's got that nice,
It's not too big.
welcoming flavor.
Really good snack and really good for a cold day like this.
That's custard, right? Man, look at that. That's super good. Oh,
And the red meat more,
really?
but the custard is not too bad.
Oh man, on a cold day like this, it's like
So good though.
It's hot.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, yeah.
Okay, we want to film this because I'm almost done. They feel it all the way to the tail. Look at that.
That's the real
Oh my
deal.
god, this is amazing.
Oh man, so good.
I want to get a little, but we need to save our stomach for more food.
Yes. Hey, okay, so Kat and I are gonna do our menu. One dish or one drink per person. Okay. 1 hour. Oh yes. Drinks. Okay, next. The Kichi Kichi Omurice. I'll get the regular size. Wow, it's 27. They also have vegetable. So close, but so far.
Can't wait.
You can't wait? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Hungry. Me too. Oh, everyone's going in. Nice. So cool. Hello. Wait. Oh. Wow. Inside. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. It's actually quite small. So this is the table where you have to like share with other people, and then they have like the bar seating over there. So kind of interesting. Yeah. Alright, starting with drinks.
Yeah, Kasi is white, and then you got umebushi on the rock.
Umeshu.
Umeshu, sorry.
Cheers.
I know him because
This is good.
It's really good.
I feel like
Try
every
mine?
yeah, sure.
It's good.
Yeah, but I was gonna
It's
say
not too strong.
it seems like every place that has ume, same brand,
Oh, really?
unless they do it themselves.
Yeah, I like my drinks. 10 out of 10 so far.
Okay, they're letting us take a video because we're at the shared table, but they let you stand kind of to watch. Whoa.
My producer, my fan, my producer, cup, my producer, my producer.
You could buy his.
You can buy Kichi Kichi, and you can buy Amazon. 3, 2, 1、パカーはい、プルンプルンです、プルンプルンですね。はい、ではリターンです。はい、リターン。はい、ソース変更です。はい、OK ですね。はい、インサイドイズベリーソフト。カラカラカラ。エンドカッティングですね。カッティング、コーナー、エンド。コーナーね。OK。エンド。ジャパニーズソイソースクリームね、ベリーデリシャス&ベリーフェイマスキチキチオムライ and my heart。
Happy Omurice, oh yeah!
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
はい、ありがとうね。はい、nice to meet you. ね、はい、ありがとう。
Okay, wow.
Alright.
Oh my god, we
So
didn't
that
have time
was
to like review like the food,
the
but it
food.
was good.
It was good.
The experience was so good.
Yeah, I
He
loved
and
it.
the rest of the staff are amazing.
Yeah, super good energy. There are
Yes.
there you have to go see for
Yes,
yourself. Yeah.
yes, it's worth the wait. It's definitely worth the wait.
So food, I would actually, it tastes great, and I love omurice. So
Yeah.
I was saying to Kat, if I don't have Kichi Kichi Omurice, I don't want it.
Oh my
you
God.
know? So
yeah, we get to sit next to like you know
Yeah,
like with
cool group of
table.
people.
Yeah, so we got to start conversation, everything
Yeah.
like that. In the end, you could take a photo with him. Gives
You could
really
get
good hugs.
yeah, he gives a solid hug.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Over 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
That's
super good.
totally amazing. All right.
All right,
Thank you.
onward to the next journey.
Yes.
Bye.